Hey guys, it's Hayani here. If you don't know me, I have a channel. I record Minecraft videos. I've never done like an actual face cam video, but I need to show you guys something. We got a new dog today, and it's super cute. Let me show you this. You hear them? That's my family members. But here's some dogs.